Right. So today it's Bonfire night, and even more, we're just having more just another exposing. And anyways, today we are going to be exposing Shayladen only from Bonfire night stream. That appears again only on Bonfire night. Ugh. Probably Bonfire night. But I just normally made it in a video. Let me try it.
Creek is this. Why don't you? King do you disable piggle? Uke Shay, what do you want you? Uker again Shaden. Well, get your itch. SS up right now I go piggle. Shuttle your mouth shaded. What?
What? Oh. This is a once again. He has been getting my live stream in the air. So, it's a Bonfire Night stream, and this will be about the Bonfire Night stream. Well, we were just in having fun with the first anniversary stream. Upcoming. And we will begin with Shayladen. Just going the jail with up. Look! For the socks! No, no. Oh, what? Is that again? Ugh. Oh. So, no, again with this, Bonfire Night, stream, past, just Bonfire Night. Anyways, so, today, another exposing fan. Right, so, this will be about the Bonfire Night stream. Oh. And this one we could do that is autumn exposing. That's autumn exposing. Nope, but once for that, we will just. I'm pregnant again to watch. I have to wait to watch it. Shay. Get over here right now.
What is it, George Sargent?
Shay, how dare you make live streams out of your friends? That's it. You are grounded for 46 days. Now go to your room right now and think about what you have done because you are making live streams. I will be telling your friends about this when he gets home.
George Sargent, how dare you ground Shay Litton? That's it. You are grounded for 2 years. Go to your room right now and stop it.
Yes, Matthew Nichols. What in world? Why has a bonfire that stream of the different way? Just at the anniversary? Oh, again with this. Well, we will just message to HAA Studios Noggin. I have to message to HAA Studios Noggin before I start the video. I'll just start with. Let's start with HAA Studios Noggin. As you can see, it says the Horn of Banana Splits ruined your birthday and gets grounded. And this day will be the Horn of Banana Splits gets grounded. It will premieres on 10 of November 2025. This will be the Horn of Banana Splits gets grounded. Well, guys, prepare to thank you. Well, no. So that's it for now. We will just skip another exposing stream. Well, goodbye.